snow outside.
Yes.
Happy spring break. Oh, grumpy kids. Told them they have to watch a DVD. You just don't want to watch a DVD. It snowed.
We're here at the Celery Bog Nature Area. We're gonna go inside this building since it's cold and snowy, as you can see.
What's in nature?
And go see what fun displays and stuff they have. Nature area is where animals can live without in fear of...
Excuse me. Where can you find the animal display?
They're inside the building. Watch out for the car.
He's all snuggled up. Never been here before. Hi, buddy. He's taking his nap.
He wants to stand in front of it and see how big you are. Stand in the center and spread your arms. One person at a time. That works.
There's Daddy.
Okay, looks like Riley's a... Hang on, Riley, get back up there. Looks like... Spread your arms. Looks like you're as big as a red-shouldered hawk.
A red-shouldered hawk?
Can you help hold the other arm? No, come back here. Fine. Who's next?
Me. Oh, you're in.
Okay, stand in the center, buddy. Spread your arms wide.
What's this? Turkey bird.
No, the red-tailed hawk.
Red-tailed hawk.
Okay, my
turn.
You're the red-tailed hawk, too. We got 2 red-tailed hawks and 1 red-shouldered hawk. Should we see how tall Daddy is? How big Daddy is? You ready?
Yeah. Dad?
What bird is Daddy?
Turkey
You gotta move.
You're a turkey vulture.
A turkey vulture!
What?
What about frogs? Sure. What's that?
A dog frog. Tadpole with legs.
What are those?
Tadpoles.
What is that?
Eggs.
What are you looking at, Michael?
I love it. Look, it's an eagle. Eagle.
Looking at Dip. Learn about the cycle of a butterfly, life cycle. That's about the state flower and the state bird.
Stayed here.
Yeah. Is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
This is a lightning bug. Those fireflies we see outside during the summer. That's what they look like. Oh my goodness, what is this?
It's supposed to be.
I think it's supposed to be a mastodon bone. Bones of display case, those of a mastodon, an animal once common in Indiana. They lived 75 to 10,000 years ago. It's called a mastodon. So who are the characters here? Is that a frog? What's the frog's name? Is that a ducky?
Hey, this is not a puppy. It's an animal.
Oh, is that a dinosaur? My goodness.
Wait, the dinosaur?
Yeah, you gotta hide. They can't know that there's an actual person in there. What's that?
It's
It's a dinosaur. I'm hungry. Riley, don't go in there. That's not for us, honey. It says staff only, which means only the people that work here. Arr. What is that, Jared? Is that a squirrel or a chipmunk? What are you doing, honey?
I made. I don't watch this show.
You riding the frog? Go, frog, go! Are you on the frog now?
I can't hold on.
Just give me a quick smile. All right.
Give me on.
So there was a glacier and it came down and then it left behind a part of the ice that was a lake, and then it kind of turned boggy, and then they used celery, and then they put something in it to make it more of a lake for birds. But that's why we had mammoths, because it was kind of ice age. It's a bird. Oh, lots of birds.
And they live in grasslands.
Yeah.
And wherever.
About 10,000 years ago, mammoths and mastodons and all the other animals that were here, they all died.
So they kind of look more like an elephant.
In the building?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Bigger elephant,
Like in the
probably.
building?
You see the leaves.
Not in the building, like in this area in Indiana.
There's a bird. The bird's all ran away.
Is there a lot?
Yes.
Ooh. Yeah. You could see its head warbling when it was doing it.
They're so funny.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes they'll mimic hawks, make hawk calls to try and drive birds away from feeders.
Oh, is that what that one was probably doing?
I don't know. I hadn't heard that sound before. He may have been making fun of some bird I'm not familiar with, but
Got some coloring going on. Jared over here, what are you doing?
I'm doing
Puzzles? Awesome. That's awesome, buddy. Put them together.
I hear them beeping. I hear birds peeping.
That's a cardinal, Mom. Look at that beautiful bird. We saw a cardinal earlier and I was saying, I don't know what it is, but birds with red on them fascinate me for some reason. Maybe because of the vibrancy of the colors or what. But yellow and red and blue. It's pretty cool that you can hear the noises from the speakers. What their songs and their sounds and their pecking. Hi. Be careful up there.
Hi. Do you like the red bird? Come on. They all fly away.
Same time.
There's
There
that
was a-
beautiful red one.
Yeah, I got video of it later too. There was one time when they all flew away and one was still eating. And they're like, oh, he got left behind. Then he realized that everyone had left and he was supposed to go. And he left.
Yeah.
Kind of funny. I don't know, buddy. Probably some noise outside that makes them all leave for some reason. Oh, I can't really lean back and sleep on you. Get over here. I can't.
Like, hi.
Here we go.
Oh.
You need a pillow? I need a pillow.
Oh. We're gonna.
Mommy, we're sleeping.
Okay, good night. Look, the squirrel got in there. Hello. Look, there's a yellow one somewhere. There was a yellow one. It's another squirrel.
No.
You're like, I want this. Is there room for two of them? No. Good. Gonna try to go up again. Yellow. There was a bird guy there when we went into the bird area, and he was like, oh, he was telling us, oh, that's a female of this bird, and this is a male of that bird, and he's like, oh, that's from the bird call, you could tell what bird it was and stuff. I'm like, wow, I'm not a bird person whatsoever. Anyways, but we watched some bird movie the other months ago. What was the movie called?
The Big Year.
The Big Year. So I was like, oh, those are pretty birds. That's all I was looking at. And then I was interested in seeing them fly and eating